Let's quickly learn the way that you close your account of Revolut. For whatever reason, if you're trying to delete or close your account of Revolut, in this video, let me show you how. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the process. Now, once you're inside of the Revolut app, in order to delete your account, tap on the profile icon on the top left of the screen. Now, once you're inside of the profile section, in order to close your account or find the account closure option, tap on the accounts option right here. It should be beneath the linked account option, but if it is not, it should be somewhere in this menu. Once you tap on accounts, it's going to give you various options relating to your account. And the last option you have is the option of close account. Just tap on this option and it's going to lastly ask you to confirm that you really want to close your account. Just tap on the close account button, which is the second option. Now, if you don't have a free plan and have a premium plan of Revolut, make sure you cancel or downgrade your plan first of all to make sure that no future payments or charges are made inside of your Revolut account. So those are the steps that you need to follow in order to close or delete your account of Revolut. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'm gonna be back soon with more just like this.